Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens. I'm Larry the Pen Book Guy, and today it's Christmas at the Pen Book House. Unboxing a box and unwrapping a package. We'll get to this in a minute. So, let's open this box up first. It's from Goulet Pens. Rachel Goulet, la 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 la. And I wonder what it is. You have any idea, Mr. Announcer?
No, I don't.
I think it's from you-know-who. Could it be? We'll find out in a minute. All right, here we go. And it's really, really packed well. Goulet always does a magnificent job in wrapping. And
Yay.
a Tootsie Pop. Yay, Tootsie Pops. And you get all like that. And you get some cool stuff. And what I like is a little thank you from Cindy, Diamond Coral. And I like these little postcard pictures they send, because I like to color them sometimes. Save them in a scrapbook. But yeah, that's cool. So, now, and this is the Noodler's L. Lawrence. And thank you, Mr. Announcer, say his name. Nomad
Wanderer.
There you go. Thank you, Nomad Wanderer. It came in today. So here it is. I believe this is one of Nomad Wanderer's, one of my viewers' favorite Noodler's inks. So I cannot wait to check it out. Wow. I do like the picture on there. If you've never seen it, the guy on the motorcycle, that is definitely cool. Now, just for the fun of it, I want you to leave your comments below. Just for the fun of it. It's a game, okay? Let's have some fun. I'll give you a hint, and then you can leave your comment what kind you think it is. The hint is it's a fountain pen. A vintage fountain pen. So what do you think it is? What kind of pen could it be? And I'll let you know more later. Be safe, my friends. Stay healthy. Peace, love. Talk to you guys later. And don't text and drive. Peace, buddy. I'm out of here.